Is Elon Musk using sensitive US government data to train his AI Grok 3? The White House says no, but concerns are mounting. With Musk's influence in Washington growing, is he blurring the lines between business and politics? Democrats and some Republicans worry that Musk may be using federal data to enhance his AI projects. The concern, his AI service, Grok 3, might be trained using information accessed by the Department of Government Efficiency, or also known as DOGE. DOGE has access to highly sensitive data, including social security records. It is also seeking IRS data, which contains tax records of every American. Additionally, DOGE works closely with the Departments of Defense and State. Lawmakers fear Musk could be using this information to train Grok 3 without oversight. The White House has outright denied these claims. Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt called the allegations unequivocally false, but critics say there is a lack of transparency. How exactly is DOGE operating, and what role does AI play in its work? These questions remain unanswered. Democratic Congressman Ro Khanna is among those raising this alarm. He says there must be strict rules on how federal data is used, especially when private companies like Musk are involved. He insists Congress, not the Trump administration, should set the rules. Even some Republicans agree. Conservative strategist Ryan Girdusky says safeguards are needed to prevent any private entity, whether Musk or billionaire George Soros, from misusing federal data. Adding to the uncertainty, even Grok itself isn't sure whether it has been trained on DOGE data. A separate report from Politico revealed that Grok admitted, and I quote, "It's plausible that data DOGE accessed could have flowed to XAI projects like Grok 3." End quote. Musk and Trump have positioned DOGE as a cost-cutting initiative aiming to reduce government inefficiencies. But the reality, there is little transparency. DOGE communicates primarily through posts on X. It's unclear if it simply makes reports, issues recommendations, or has actual decision-making power. Adding to the confusion, Musk has been leading DOGE's discussions with world leaders. Yet, the White House insists he is not officially in charge. In fact, no one knows who heads DOGE at this moment. AI expert Pascal Hetzkolt warns that powerful AI systems like Grok 3 could be used to track individuals, assess political loyalty, and suppress dissent. He emphasizes that safeguards such as strong privacy laws and independent oversight are essential to prevent AI from becoming a tool for mass surveillance and control. Elon Musk says he will work with Trump, and I quote, "as long as I'm helpful." But how far will this partnership go? And is America's AI future safe in Musk's hand? Stay tuned for more updates.